HSS Security Solutions, trusted since 1997 in Middle Tennessee. Globe. https://www.hsssecurity.net. Phone 615-444-1400. Fire alarm and AMP. Security camera experts in Murfreesboro, Tennessee. We provide professional services for fire alarm design, permitting, installation, and AHJ certification, security cameras and AMP, CCTV, indoor, outdoor, IP, remote viewing, recording, and system maintenance, integration with access control and monitoring, 24/7 alarm monitoring. Serving Murfreesboro, Tennessee and nearby areas: Nashville, Franklin, Brentwood, Gallatin, Lebanon, Hendersonville, MT, Juliet, Hermitage, and Donelson. Trusted by businesses, schools, healthcare facilities, government, and families across Middle Tennessee for over 25 years. Request a fast quote today. https://www.hsssecurity.net/contact #Murfreesboro-TN #fire alarms #security cameras #CCTV #Middle Tennessee.